Hello there. In this tutorial we will show you how to join a Meetecho conferencing session. So let us give for granted that you received a formal invitation through email. Such email will contain a link which allows you to get directly connected to the conferencing room. Once you're here, all you have to do is just to insert your name and a valid email address and click on the OK button. You will be directly connected to the conferencing room. This is the main web interface of the Meetecho client. As you can see here, Meetecho has been organized in such a way as to have different functions associated with different tabs. If you want to exploit one of the many available functions, all you have to do is just go and click on the related tab. Let's have a look first of all at the audio video tab. Here you have different options available which basically relate to the role that you want to play in a Meetecho session. You can be either a passive user, which means that you are just going to listen to the main audio stream, and you can otherwise be an active user, which means that you are going to contribute to the mainstream with both audio and video. Also in this case we have different options, and we are going to show here in this demo one interesting option, which is the integrated VoIP, which is at the time implemented through a Java applet. When you click on the button which allows you to start the Java applet in question, a new window will open. Such window contains a small frame associated with video and two buttons which are used in order to ask for audio and video floors. So if you want to talk, you just have to click on the I want to talk button, and if you want to send video, you just have to do the same with the video button. So if I click on send video, I'm going to contribute to the main video stream, which will be part of the overall conference mix. If I click on this small icon, I will allow the mirror mode, which means that I'm going to see myself reflected in the video window. And here, if I want to talk, I have to ask for the audio floor. Now I am in. If we go here on the bottom left corner, we will see that in the participants list we also have my colleague Tobia Castaldi, who will be my partner during this demo. The left panel here can be used for chat. So Tobia has already said hello to us, and we are just going to do the same. So now let's have a quick overview of the other functions available inside Meetecho. Let's start with slides. If we go to the slides tab, you can see here that we can present a slide deck to the other participants. We have two options available, meaning that we can either choose to use a preloaded presentation or we can upload a brand new one. In this case we are just going for a previously uploaded presentation. I choose the file here, which is called graphs.pdf, and these slides will appear in this panel, which also has controls for the presenter. I can just change the slides, have a preview of the slides themselves, and that's it. So this is almost all for slides. Let's go and have a look at the text editor tab. Here we can just cooperatively edit a web-based document. So just to make an example, let's choose a minutes document. We just start writing, we take our minutes, we can save our work, and we can release the editing token. This means that other participants can take the role of the editor and contribute to the minutes. And as you can recognize easily, this mechanism is currently based on a token passing approach. The third tab here is related to whiteboard. So as you can see here, we have a JavaScript based whiteboard that can be used in order to just cooperatively work on drawings and the like. So I'm editing something and Tobias is doing the same on his side, and the result is what you see here in this frame in the web-based interface. So let's just leave the whiteboard here and let's go have a quick look at the polling part. When you want to create a new poll, you just have to click here. You can choose a timeout for the poll, and you can start writing the main question. Let's have an example here. Just a very simple one. You can choose the different options that you want to enable for this poll. And when you're done, you can just click here and submit the poll to all of the participants. I will provide my own answer. I'll send my vote, and as you can see here, when all of the participants are done, or otherwise when the timeout is over, the results will appear to each and every participant. So other functions, you can just transfer files. This is done in much the same way as every file sharing application can do. The transferred file will appear also in the chat, and people will be allowed to download it and do whatever they like with the file that you just sent to them. We can allow desktop sharing, which will be the subject of a separate demo tutorial on the Meetecho website. And finally, we can also use an interesting facility, which is co-browsing. As an example here, I can just write a URL of a web page that I want to open in my browser and also in the browsers of all of the other participants, and I can just direct the browsing of the others. And this is very interesting, especially in web-based tutorials and lectures. So that's all by now, and see you again online with Meetecho for further tutorials, which will be drilled down tutorials on some of the main functions made available by Meetecho. Let's say goodbye to the others and see you soon, guys.